I have the Samsung Smart TV and I'll be showing you how to use Facebook on your TV. Now, one of the ways is to basically screen mirror your smartphone to the TV, and you can screen mirror both iPhones and Android phones to the Smart TV. So simply mirror your phone's screen to the TV like I've done. And then once you do that, you can simply launch Facebook and you can enjoy the benefit of Facebook on the bigger TV screen mirrored directly from your phone. Okay. Now, in case you don't want your phone involved, then you can always go ahead and also use the browser. So just grab your TV's remote and then from the home screen, just look for the internet icon. This is the Samsung official browser. Select that and then you can either type facebook.com in the URL bar, or you can just go to the shortcut for facebook.com and open the Facebook website. Of course, you'll need to log in to your Facebook account. And once you're logged in, you are good to go. So you can now scroll through Facebook, look at people's posts, like posts, and stuff like that. Okay. Now, scrolling with your mouse scrolling with your remote is not the best experience. You might have to go to the scroll bar on the extreme right hand side to be able to scroll properly. But then once you get here, you can like posts. And if you have a keyboard, a wireless keyboard and mouse connected, then it makes the whole experience much more better. So you can scroll with your mouse, you can type comments, you can do stuff like that with a connected wireless keyboard and mouse to your TV. Now, I have a video linked in the description on how to connect a wireless keyboard and mouse to your Samsung TV. That's basically how to get to use Facebook on your smart TV. Thanks for watching. Comments and questions down below, and good luck.